Today we're going to use our tarp to set up a Plow Point shelter. It's real quick, it's real easy. Here you go. Go ahead and pull your tarp out of your bag and then get it ready to deploy. All right, you want to find one corner of that tarp right here. This is your corner. Now I've taken a piece of paracord with 2 overhand loop knots in it and wrapped it around this tree, and this part right here where this loop knot is going to hold our toggle with our shelter. Now this shelter is going to be in the shape of a diamond, so we're going to use this corner right here with this tie out, and we're going to use our toggle through that overhand loop knot. Now just bring your tarp up here and put this overhand loop knot through this tie out and stick your toggle in, just like that. Now it's not going to go nowhere and it's good and secure. The double D 3x3, which means 3 yards by 3 yards, or essentially 9 feet by 9 feet. It comes with tent stakes, but you can make your own tent stakes with sticks. Now all we're going to do is grab the opposite end of this diamond and we're going to pull it tight and stake it down. All right, we're going to pull it tight right here and we're going to stake it into the ground just like that. Now we're going to do the other 2 sides. Now you're going to pull this side out and just stake it down nice and tight. Now repeat the process on this side. Pull it tight. Stick that puppy down. Now it should be good and tight. It should look like a diamond shape or a plow point. Now the Plow Point shelter is extremely easy to set up. If you only have 1 tree, this is the way to do it. Let's say you don't have enough cordage to run between 2 trees. That's when this Plow Point shelter comes in handy, because you can use 1 tree, set it up all the way to the ground. As you can see, there's plenty of room back here for all your gear and all your bedding. You can set up a fire on the other side of that tree and you'll stay nice and toasty and dry. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, follow, and share. I'll see you next time. God bless you.